Well, Eric, the funeral manager here at Sunset Funeral Home said they had to add an extra mortuary refrigerator at 2 of their locations to keep up with capacity. He says that as COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations continue to climb, he expects his funeral home and others to be very busy soon.
We saw the surge in cases and also in deaths here in El Paso. We knew it wasn't going to end anytime soon.
Funeral homes are taking measures to keep up with capacity, expecting more deaths in our area.
We needed to build a walk-in refrigerator to accommodate and also to make sure people's loved ones were in a dignified manner as well.
Sunset Funeral Homes recently installing 3 mortuary refrigerators at their west and east locations that can hold up to 20 bodies each.
Just so that way we have enough capacity to hold all the deaths that are happening here in El Paso.
PERCHES Funeral Home telling ABC7 they've also added a refrigerator inside a chapel at one of their locations that can hold 80.
We have a top level, a middle level, and then a bottom level, so it holds 3.
Sunset's manager Christopher Lujan says portable refrigerators have also been added. Their funeral homes have been holding 2 to 3 services a day since the pandemic.
It's hard to see people's loved ones passing away alone, and hearing that from the family that they wish they could have been there at their last moments.
And a county spokesperson told me that the morgue at the medical examiner's office is 33% full right now, and they're not using mobile morgues like they were using earlier this summer. Obviously, this is a story that we're going to continue to follow on air and online at KVIA.com. Reporting live in West El Paso, Brianna Chavez, ABC7.
All right.